So good day everyone. Today I'll show you how to create a simple CRUD API using Java and Spring Boot. So this project demonstrates the fundamental concept of RESTful web services. So for this lab, na-ako'y product management API that implements all 4 CRUD operations, which is create, read, update, or delete. So for the create, kini kay maka-add og new products niya sa read kay retrieve product information, then sa update kay maka-modify og existing products, then delete is to remove products. So the API Spring Boot framework akong gamit for database for easy testing. So let me show you the project structure. So for the model layer, which is kining product Java, mo ni siya ang atong entity class with GPA annotations. Then sa repository layer, or kining product repository.java, is mo ni ang nag-handle sa database operation. Then next is sa service layer, mo ni siya ang naga-contain sa business logic. Then sa controller layer, mo ni siya ang nadri ang REST API endpoints, and then configuration, which is ang application properties. Diri makita ang database and server settings. So now, let's look at the key components. So kining si product entity, mo ni siya ang simple Java class with fields like name, description, price, and quantity. Mo ni siya nagagamit og GPA annotation for database mapping. And then product controller, mo na siya ang naga-contain sa tanan REST endpoints. So each method handles a specific HTTP method and returns appropriate status codes. Then sa service layer, mo na siya naga-implement sa the actual CRUD logic, including error handling. So now let's test the API using PowerShell. Gamit ko og PowerShell. So first, ato sang i-verify ang kung nag-run ba ang API. So nag-run na siya. Now, let's add a new laptop product. Create a taog product. 3, 2, 1. Wara. Sunod, let's retrieve all the products, which is ang get request. So next is let's modify the product details, which is ang update request. I mean put request there. Update na siya. Then next is i-remove na to ang product, which is ang delete request. So invoke. So muna siya na. So ang key features ani, so this implementation includes full CRUD functionality, proper HTTP status codes, error handling, RESTful design principle, of cross-platform compatibility. So this project demonstrates the fundamentals of RESTful API development with Java Spring Boot. The same patterns can be applied to build APIs for any domain, like users, orders, inventory, or etc.